I have to shoot videos today. I have to do back-to-back calls with clients. I have to send out invoices. Do you ever hear yourself say this? I have to. And can you feel your energy drop? Well, I've got a one-word hack for you so you can reprogram your subconscious so that you can feel, reprogram it for happiness, success, and attract that tribe of beautiful clients to you who really want to do business with you in your online business. One word. Replace have to with get. So I get to do back-to-back calls with clients. I get to shoot videos. I get to learn so much to grow my business. Oh, I get to send out invoices. See the difference. So my challenge to you this week, every time you hear you say, I have to, change it to, I get to, and see the difference that it makes to your sense of success and happiness and energy in your business. Okay, go get them.